Well, hello there, guys, and welcome to a quick special edition of Weather on the Wines. Apparently, we've got a lot of hail all over Central Austin, so I just wanted to say, get your cars covered if you can. Get your pets in, your kids in, your animals, and please be careful out there. This kind of popped up, and it's looks like some areas are strengthening, and there's some golf ball-size hail. That's big. Yeah, I'm watching the weather now, and I hope everybody else is. So please be careful. Cheers. Happy Sunday Eve. Hunker down, and let's get through this.